Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Twitch app. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Here click on Twitch icon. We will go through this instructions to configure Twitch in this video. Now click on Twitch developer link. On Twitch dashboard, click on Register your application. Give an appropriate app name. Copy redirect URL and paste it in redirect field. Select web integration as category type. Verify reCAPTCHA. And click create. Here you will get client ID and secret. Copy client ID. And paste it in app ID. Now click on new secret. Copy client secret. And paste it in app secret field. Save it. Then click on Test Configuration. Authorize your Twitch app. User attribute of Twitch will get display here. Now go to Twitch icon. Here we will get an option to enable and disable Twitch custom app. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Twitch icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Twitch attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.